Musk has struck back. You thought Sora 2 was the most impressive at generating videos? Think again. It's called Grok Imagine, and the best part, it's completely free. It creates 6-second videos with built-in audio, and you can download them with no watermark, something Sora still doesn't offer. But Grok Imagine goes way beyond short clips. It's a full creative engine that can turn your words into ultra-realistic photos and cinematic videos in seconds. Say, imagine Elon Musk on Mars holding the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it instantly generates an image so real it feels like a leaked SpaceX campaign. Then tell it, make it a cinematic video, dramatic lighting, slow camera zoom, and Grok transforms that photo into a movie scene, complete with movement effects and its own voiceover. The real power lies in the prompt. Start with who or what, add where, then describe the mood. Like Elon Musk walking through a neon city, cyberpunk energy, epic tone. Every word shapes the result. You can even upload your own selfie and say, merge me with Elon Musk movie poster style. And Grok Imagine will create a short clip of you and Musk as if you're co-stars in the next big sci-fi film. No studio, no camera, just your imagination. So here's the question, if Musk's AI can make movies from words, what's stopping you?